Hi crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I thought I would bring you along for a fun unboxing of my most recent scrapbook.com order. I will leave links down to everything that I've purchased down below in case you're interested in purchasing as well, and each time you use my links, that really helps support me and my YouTube channel. All right, let's go ahead and jump in and take a look at everything that I received. So the first thing I have here, this is the deluxe adhesive roller, and I believe this was a free gift with one of my purchases, so I'm excited to try out that adhesive. Then I have this Sizzix 3D texture fades. It's like a wood grain, so I'm excited to use that. And then I saw one of my friend Nicole, use this stencil. It's pom-poms, and I thought this would be super cute on some upcoming basketball pages that I plan to make. This is from Echo Park, and it's called the pom-pom stencil. This is the new scrapbook.com holiday magic mat, and this was also free with purchase, but you can buy it as well. So this will be nice for my die cutting. Of course, I got some new Nuvo glue. I love this glue. It adheres clear, and I usually just refill my smaller bottle, but I went ahead and purchased the 4-ounce. And then the next thing I want to show you is this. I don't know what it's called, but it's from Vicki Boutin, and I'll leave it linked down below. But look at this cute little die. It looks like a little torn notebook paper. And then there's 3 different stamps. So here's a look at like what those look like with that die. I thought that's super cute for journaling, and it's very inexpensive. So I can't wait to try that out. Then scrapbook.com just released their new 1/4-inch mint tape and their 1/2-inch mint tape. And these are perfect for when you're die cutting or masking things off. Here's the 1-inch. This is the one I previously had just for comparison so you can see how that looks. The next thing I have here is another stamp and die set from Vicki Boutin. This is from her Bold and Bright collection. And I just love like the greenery in here and the florals, and they're so cheap. I just thought this was a really good price point, and I loved it. I also picked up a few Distress Oxide ink colors that I didn't have. So I've got the Tattered Rose, the Aged Mahogany, and Ice Spruce. And I really think that these 3 colors look nice together. This is really exciting. So this is new. It's from 49 and Market, and this is their Insta Flip pocket sleeves. And if you've been with Close to My Heart, they used to have flip flaps. So this is a flip flap, and it's from 49 and Market. So I'm excited to try these out. I love to use these to add more photos and hidden journaling to my pages. Here's another Vicki Boutin stamp and die set, and I just love this. This is from her Wrapped in Ribbons collection. There's more sprigs and greenery and a beautiful poinsettia die stamp. So that's going to look really pretty on some Christmas layouts. And I watched one of my friends, Dorothy, over at Scrapbooking Quebec. She inks everything with this VersaFine Clair Morning Mist ink. So, of course, I have to try that. And so I went ahead and picked it up. This might have been a freebie. This is the Mini Santa Face die. So that'll be cute on some Christmas layouts. And then I got this stencil thinking this is Vicki Boutin Wrapped in Ribbons, and I thought it was just the one stencil. But to my surprise, it's 3. So you get this one, and then you also get this really pretty next one, and then this one with this pattern. So that was a really good deal and a nice surprise to know that there's 3 in there. And I also picked up these Luna Alphabet Puffy stickers from Bella Boulevard. This is, I think it's her latest font, and I've been seeing a lot of people use these, so I think this is going to be nice for titles. Now, I had one of these already and created a layout. This is from Reminiscence, and I got this because I have some concert photos that I want to scrapbook for my daughter's album. I did a page for my album, but I want to go ahead and use some more stickers. We are just starting basketball season, so I picked up a few pieces of loose pattern paper. This is Game Day Basketball Hoop Dreams from Reminiscence, and I got it for the front side that I showed first with the basketballs, but I really like this one on the back as well. And then this one is also from Reminiscence. This is called Full Court Press, and I thought this would be nice to document my daughter's, like her main individual photo for basketball. I just think that's so cool, this background. And then I picked up the sticker sheet as well, and I think it's called maybe just basketball, but there's some really good words on here, a couple basketballs, and then I like these long sticker strips at the bottom. So this is going to be nice. And then I liked this paper too that says love, and it has like the basketball print on the edges here. So that's going to be cute. Okay. And then for some reason, I picked up a sheet of this St. Patty's Day paper, and it's also from Reminiscence, called Lucky Clover. I do have some St. Patty's Day photos that I never got around to scrapbooking, so I want to get those documented. This is from Reminiscence as well, and this is called Cheers to a New Year Kit. Comes with 8 12x12 papers, 2 sheets per design, and then 1 coordinating sticker sheet. It's brand new. It's got the 2025 stickers on it, so I thought that would be cute to document our New Year's Eve adventures. Then there's one more collection that I want to show you. Oh, first, before I do, let me show you this. Can you see this little paper down here? I love that. It says Happy New Year, Happy New Year. So it's real pretty. Then this is the Simple Stories Collector's Essential Kit, this front porch. And let me go ahead and open this. You get 12 sheets of double-sided paper. You get the cardstock stickers, the simple page pieces, 6x12 stickers, and the journal bits. So here's a look at everything that comes in this kit. Now, I didn't purchase this one. I won a prize drawing from Simple Stories Facebook site, and they sent this to me, and I'm really excited to scrapbook with it. We are building a new house, and so I thought this was just like that really homey vibe. Is that a word? And I just loved it. So I thought this would be perfect, and so I'm excited. So let me show you a little bit about let me show you the papers here. So you get some cut aparts here. These look like 3x4 cut aparts or 4x6. Then this really pretty hearts. And then here's some more cut aparts. Looks like there's some 2x2 squares on here as well. And this floral is just gorgeous. And then the back side, more cut aparts. These look like 3x4. I love that family on the top. Like, looks a little rustic. And then this is gorgeous, and more cut aparts. I love the Simple Stories collection because they have so many opportunities for journaling. Here's some tags. One side is blank, and then one side has the design on it. Oh, I love a good wood grain. And then some florals. That's going to be hard to decide which side to use because I love both of those. This is a really pretty pattern. And then look at these stamps. Isn't that pretty? And then like a navy blue. And look at this. Oh, I can just see cutting those apart. That's really pretty. And then some more florals. Looks like the same design as that navy maybe, but just in a mustard color. And that's really pretty. Can you see the text print on there? It's got the text print. Another plaid. Some pretty florals. And here's another plaid. Oh, I love this with all the doilies. Oh, I love that. That's so pretty. And then here's like a more red, and then more of that text print. So that's a look at everything that I purchased. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and come back. I will have links down to all of these items down below in the description box, and I appreciate when you shop my links, as that really helps support me and my YouTube channel. Let me know what is your favorite that I purchased down below in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!